Hey guys, so we have a delivery here care of BK's Bombay House. Si Sir Voltaire Ukat di ay taga sa ganito sir?
Taga Bulasa.
Taga Bulasa. So, na siya mga Indian food gina-offer diri sa Argao. He delivers and he wanted me to try the shrimp curry.
Yeah, shrimp curry, ma'am.
Tagpila ni siya sir?
Ang one order, ma'am, kay 250.
250. 250 ni siya ang iyahang gi-deliver karon. Thank you so much. Sponsored food ni guys. So ato ni i-review later. So thank you so much. Free delivery ra ni sa
Pwede
kada
deliver.
mo order.
Basta dire lang sa
Argao,
Argao
Argao
area.
area. So na ako i-mention na kanang profile niya dira sa description box para i-message ninyo si sir kada mo order mo. Thank you so much. Bye,
Bye-bye.
bye sir. Thank you. So once again, this is the shrimp curry from VK's Bombay House, care of Sir Voltaire Ukat. I'm not sure how they are related to Ruel Ukat or medyo maldito. Pero mauni siya. You know that I love Indian food, and because of that, that's why I promote Hyderabad Dine-In, the best Indian cuisine in Cebu City. I've been craving for Indian food sometimes, and since I live in Argao, it has been difficult for me to look for an alternative while waiting for me to go to the city. So I am really loyal to Hyderabad Dine-In when it comes to Indian food. But since VK's Bombay House here in Argao has offered me to try out their shrimp curry, I accepted their offer to support their small business as well. So just a background, Sir Voltaire Ukat is a cook in, I'm not really sure unsa kind na barko, basta tigluto siya sa barko daw, and his workmates are Indian and Filipino. That's why he knows how to cook Indian food. Now, mauni siya ang iyahang shrimp curry. The shrimp curry itself is 250 pesos. And since they are using basmati rice or the long rice, that's additional 50 pesos for this serving. So if you can see, it's good for sharing. And ako ipon ang pila ka shrimp na gi-add ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. So around 5 to 6 shrimps are included in the shrimp curry serving or food order. If interested mo, once again, Voltaire Ukat or VK's Bombay House here in Argao. Taga Bulasa daw siya. Bulasa ba to? I hope I remember it right, guys. So, morning, let's go ahead and try their ato ni i-share, of course, ni Steph, ni Papa, o ni Enon, because they also love to taste different food na tumargi pang tilawan. So, this is how big the shrimp is. I think it's already peeled from its scales or the skin. And it's also cleaned sa iyahang back. If you can see, na siya slice. Legit Indian food, guys. Spice level is, I think, medium to high. Or medium to, na may medium, na mild, na ay medium, and I very spicy. I think this is already in the around second to third level sa spiciness niya. But I love spicy food. So, if you are from Argao, please try out VK's Bombay House. Please check out their page or their profile to try this out. And of course, if you're in the city, I highly recommend Hyderabad Dine-In. They have authentic Indian food served in multiple branches. They have Banawa, they have Banilad, and I think they also have Cebu Mercado, if I remember it right. So, daghan silang branches. So, you might be wondering why I'm promoting different brands in one video. Once again, I am a loyal promoter of Hyderabad Dine-In. Also, an Indian food restaurant in Cebu City. And since once again, I love supporting small businesses, that's why I said yes to VK's Bombay House. And I wanted to try out their shrimp curry. So, once again, if you're from Argao, please do support the small business of Sir Voltaire Ucat. Please message him. And then for inquiries, since he also has other products, other Indian products, please message him na lang to inquire for what kind of food he has and how much they are. So thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope to see you on my next vlog. If you have any questions about this product or any of my videos, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And also, please like and follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Margrette or Margrette Vlogs. Thank you so much for your support. Naimotor ni Agi. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye! Dilawi ang shrimp. Lamian ka, no? Lamian po ni siya galang. Pasar? Thank you!